Okay, in fifth question,
Now,
PQ is perpendicular to PS.
maths पढ़ा रहे हो. PQ is PS ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे थे.
Mute. This is T, R, S, P, Q, and X. This angle is 28 degree, and this one is Y. We have to find the value of X and Y, and these two lines. PQ is parallel to SR, and this is perpendicular. Now, first of all, this PQ is parallel to SR. So this angle and this angle will be alternate interior angle. Angle PQR equals angle QRT. PQR equals angle QRT. This angle equals to this alternate interior angle. Now PQR is X plus 28 degree. This is equal to 65 degree. So X is 65 degree minus 28 degree. You can solve this. Can you solve this? This will be 37 degree.
So 37.
37 degree. Now in triangle PQS, this triangle PQS, this one. Now apply angle sum property. So angle SPQ plus angle PQS plus angle QSP will be equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Now we know that this is perpendicular. So perpendicular means this is angle is 90 degree. PQS, this PQS, this is X and at the value of X is 37 degree. Plus angle QSP, this is Y, equals 180 degree. Now this is 127 plus Y equals 180 degree, and the value of Y will be 180 minus 127. So this will be 53 degree. Any doubt? First of all, PQR equals QRT. PQR equals QRT because of alternate interior angle. Now we can find the value of X because X plus 28 will be equal to 65. Now in triangle PQS, apply angle sum property. According to angle sum property, the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Dikshita?
Yes, sir.
If you have to find this angle, how you will solve this angle? This angle. Raise your hand if you know how you will find this angle. QSR. Yes, Rashi. Yes, Rashi.
90 minus 53.
90 minus 53. Yes. अच्छा, ये आप क्यों कह रहे हो कि 90 minus 53?
Because it's a right angle.
Yes. This is perpendicular and these two lines are parallel. So this will also perpendicular. अच्छा, और कोई मेथड? Any other method to find the value of angle QSR? Raise your hand if you know. Any other method excepting minus subtracting from 90 degree? Any other method? Raise your hand. See, triangle QSR. Triangle QSR. Angle QRT is exterior angle. So we can apply the exterior angle property. The sum of these two angles will be equal to this angle. Getting my point? Prerna, is it clear? We can apply exterior angle property. Angle QRT is exterior angle and this angle will be equal to the sum of 28 degree and angle QSR, these two angles.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if we want to find the value of this angle, this angle, if I produce this, then
Sir, linear pair.
yes, by using linear pair. देखो, किसी भी क्वेश्चन में, ज्योमेट्री में किसी भी क्वेश्चन के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर मेथड नहीं होता कि लीनियर पेयर बोल दिया तो लीनियर पेयर से ही होगा. बहुत मेथड है. आप यहाँ पे वो भी लगा सकते हो, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, उससे भी आएगा, लेकिन आंसर सबसे सेम आएगा. जैसे यहाँ पे 90 माइनस 53, 90 माइनस 53, तो उससे जो आंसर आएगा और बाकियों से जो आंसर आएगा सेम ही आंसर आएगा. दिस विल बी 37 डिग्री. और दूसरा मेथड, ये लाइन और ये लाइन पैरेलल है तो ये दोनों अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल है, तो एक्स हमारा 37 डिग्री है तो ये भी 37 डिग्री होना चाहिए. इससे भी आएगा. इन दोनों का सम इसके इक्वल भी आएगा. यस आनंद बोलो.
Sir,
यस.
sir, Chirag video is while coming in the video.
सॉरी. आनंद बोलो बेटा. आनंद.
Sir, Chirag video is coming.
Okay.
Chirag J logo is coming.
Now open your exercise 6.1. Any doubt? सॉरी, एक क्वेश्चन रहता है, 6 क्वेश्चन रहता है, उसको डिस्कस कर लो, उसके बाद डाउट क्लियर करते हैं. इसको नोट डाउन कर लो. Note down this. Note it down. Now in the last question, it is given that the bisector of angle PQR and PRS meet at point T. Now in triangle PQR, the angle bisector of PQR, say this, means QT is the angle bisector of angle PQR. So it means this angle will be equal to this angle. Similarly, RT, this is the angle bisector of PRS. So this angle will be equal to this angle. We have to prove that, prove angle QTR equal to half of angle QPR. Prove that angle QTR equals half of angle QPR. Try this. How you will solve angle angle QTR equals half of angle QPR. So first QTR, this equals half of angle QPR, this angle. कि अगर ये x है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा x/2. ये आपको प्रूव करना है. दिस इज द थ्योरम. दिस इज द थ्योरम. ये डायरेक्ट रिजल्ट भी आपसे कभी क्वेश्चन में पूछ सकते हैं कि आपको ये वैल्यू दे रखी है 64 डिग्री, तो आपको ये पूछ रहे तो ये कितना होगा 32 डिग्री. ये डायरेक्ट भी याद करना है. You have to learn this, that if the angle bisector of internal and external angle meet at point, then this angle will be half of this angle. Yes, Sumit. Yes, Sumit, bolo. Now this angle equals to angle PQT is equal to angle TQR. PQT equals angle TQR because QT is angle bisector of PQR, because QT is the angle bisector of PQR. Similarly, angle PRT, this PRT equals angle TRS. Same reason, because RT is the angle bisector of angle PRS. Now, in triangle this TQR, in triangle TQR, this angle is the external angle. So angle, the sum of these two angles will be equal to this angle. Angle TQR plus angle QTR will equal to angle TRS. The sum of these two angles will be equal to this angle. Exterior angle sum property. Exterior angle sum property. Angle TQR plus angle QTR will equal to TRS. Exterior angle sum property. Now in triangle this PQR, in triangle PQR, the sum of angle PQR plus angle QPR equals PRS. Again, exterior angle sum property. Again, exterior angle sum property. The sum of these two angles, this PQR plus this QPR equal to angle PRS, this whole angle. Now, PRS, angle PRS, this PRS can be written as twice of angle TRS because these two angles are equal, so we can write angle PRS equals twice of angle TRS. We can write twice of angle TRS. This is PQR plus QPR will be equal to twice of angle TRS. Now substitute the value of angle TRS from this equation in this and solve. You will find that the result will be this. Try this. Try to solve. Substitute the value of angle TRS from this to in the equation second. This is first equation and this is second. Substitute the value of angle TRS from first into second equation. Then use these two to convert angle into QTR and QPR form. जैसे यहाँ पे हमें QPR चाहिए बट PQR नहीं चाहिए, तो PQR can be written as twice of angle TQR. Solve it. So angle PQR plus angle QPR equals twice of angle TRS. Now the value of TRS is twice of angle TQR plus just substitute the value of TRS in this and write twice of angle TQR equals PQR and this will get cancelled out. Now angle QTR, here on the left hand side this is angle QPR equals twice of angle QTR. So QTR will be half of QPR, hence proved. Any doubt? Raise your hand. Any doubt? Yes, Prerna?
Sir, I didn't understand from the angle PQR plus QR equals to that.
स्टेप नंबर बोल दो बेटा.
Sir, this last step.
This one?
Sir, above it. Yes, sir.
देखो बेटा, या फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में एंगल टी आर एस की वैल्यू क्या है? एंगल टी क्यू आर प्लस क्यू टी आर. So I substitute the value of this angle TRS from first equation. This is TQR plus QTR, and this two as it is. Now solve 2 times of angle TQR. Twice of angle TQR will be PQR. So write this PQR. And on the left hand side again here PQR and the right hand side PQR. So both will get cancelled out. Yes, Sharvan. Sharvan बोलो. होल क्वेश्चन 6. देखो बेटा स्टार्टिंग में दिया क्या हुआ है? आई एम रिपीटिंग. QT and RT is angle bisector. So the meaning of angle bisector is the angle this one will be equal to this one and this one angle will be equal to that one. Now we have to prove angle QTR will be equal to half of angle QPR. So first of all, write the angle which are equal due to angle bisector. That is PQT. Angle PQT equals TQR because of angle bisector. This is given that QT is angle bisector. Now PRT, this angle PRT equals angle TRS because of again RT is angle bisector. Now in triangle TQR, apply exterior angle sum property. This angle will be equal to the sum of these two angles. So TQR plus QTR equal TRS. Now apply the exterior angle sum property in triangle PQR. PQR, this will be PQR plus QPR equal to PRS. Here we have two equations, first and second. Solve these equations and you will get that QPR equals twice of QTR, which means QTR is half of QPR. These two will come on the left hand side, become half. Now any doubt? So 6.1 exercise, any doubt, raise your hand. 6.1 exercise, any doubt, raise your hand. Six point one exercise, any doubt, raise your hand. Okay, 6.2 exercise 6.2. Yes, Yugash.
Sir, question number 5.
6.2 exercise.
Yes, sir.
In figure 6.32, if AB parallel to CD, angle APQ is 50 degree and angle PRD is 127 degree. Find X and Y. Find X and Y. So first of all, apply alternate interior angle. Angle APR equals 127. So the 50 plus y will be equal to 127. Find the value of y. Now apply exterior angle property. X plus y will be equal to 127 degree. You ask, is it clear? Yugash,
Yes, sir.
any other doubt?
No, sir.
Raise your hand if you have doubt in exercise 6.2. Shravan, 6.2, question number second. In second, in figure 6.29, AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. It means AB is also parallel to EF. Now we have given Y ratio Z, that is 3:7. Find X. So the meaning of Y ratio Z is 3:7. So let the angle Y is 3x and 3A and Z 7A. Now X and Z will be linear pair. Sorry, alternate interior angle. AB is parallel to EF, so X and Z is alternate interior angle. And the sum of X and Y will be 180 degree linear pair. ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन पे है तो आपको इंटीरियर एंगल बन जाएंगे ये, क्योंकि ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, ये जो एक्स और वाई दिख रहे हैं ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन पे हैं. AB parallel to CD, so the sum of X and Y will be 180 degree. X is equal to Z, so that this is 7A and Y is 3A. So 10A will be equal to 180. So A is 18. Now you can find the value of Y and Z. Is it clear? Shravan? Yes. Now exercise 6.3. Any doubt? Exercise 6.3. Any doubt? Raise your hand. Dikshita, Rashi, Prerna. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Kundan?
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt.
Sir,
Yes.
question number 4,
Question number 4. Exercise
6.3.
in figure 6.42. इसमें तो बेटा देखो PRT जो है ट्रायंगल PRT, apply angle sum property. The sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. You can find the value of PTR. Is it clear? First of all, find the angle PTR. Now angle STQ and PTR will be vertical opposite angle. Last, again apply angle sum property to triangle SQT. इसका डाउट था फोर्थ क्वेश्चन 6.3. रेज योर हैंड. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन 6.3 किसका डाउट था? दीक्षिता, बेटा अब क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
First of all, find angle PTR by applying angle sum property in triangle PRT. Then angle PTR and STQ. Check PTR and STQ. Both are vertical opposite angle. Then again apply angle sum property to triangle SQT. Any other doubt? Example में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो? एग्जाम्पल ट्राई कर रहे हो आप? दीक्षिता एग्जाम्पल ट्राई कर रहे हो? Okay, if you have no doubt, then you can leave the meeting. Tomorrow we will start the next chapter.